Hi guys, welcome back, and let's dive into Usdjpy. Also, for the first week of July, let's see what we have for Usdjpy. So I'm right here at 12 months, and I'm going to see what we have in 12 months. So far, Usdjpy has been bullish. Yeah, Usdjpy has been bullish. Yeah, we've been seeing some bearish move. So this is where the change happened. So let me dive in well so that I could indicate this change. Here we have a change of character. Monthly change of character. Truck. I wanted to be on this weekly, daily. Then let me remove these guys. Okay, so I have this monthly change of character here. I have this zone here. I also have a sweep, but I won't say it's a sweep though. Why? Because I would have preferred to see a previous low formed before this low was taken. So this to me cannot be a sweep of the previous. The sweep, it will be the previous month candle. So this is a retracement. This is just a retracement buy side. So let's see what we have in here. High is price to come here. Nope. Price came here and moved. So all supply in this zone has been taken. So I still have one supply, one liquidity here to take. Even if price is at a good supply here, but this is still very ripe. This is still a very ripe zone. And you can see this drop base, drop rally, came back to this breaker block and we moved, which is a good one. So let's go down to 6 months. We already see that we're in a retracement phase. We are retracing back. We are retracing back up. So this is the overall chairman that's push price to break this. So price has broken this. Are we going to see any retracements anytime soon? Well, sure, I'm expecting a retracement anytime soon. Why? Because price just created a sign of uptrend move. So I have this here. So this is corrective and impulsive, so we should expect some correction. So let me hold down this zone and pause them. I got a new battery. Why is this still happening somehow? Okay, so I would like this, and I like this also. Okay. Let's say this is the liquidity here. Price has taken all the liquidity, so we need to move higher. So I would love to see price retrace and create a new high. So before that, let me price has cleared out all this zone in here. 1, 2. So if I want to see price come back, price coming back to this zone is going to be very difficult. This zone will be very difficult, I won't lie. But if price can come back, then we should see price in areas closer to this zone. So what I feel is I would love to see if we have some flips over. Price broke this high. We have a rally base rally formation. This was the first drop base drop, and price broke out this base, tested it and push, came back to it, tested it, and where we go. So this is the next zone in here. So according to this uptrend, this is a good uptrend move. This is last one, and yeah, apparently, yeah, so we should apply a pullback on US30. I said US30. Usdjpy, we should expect a pullback. So who is going to be the pullback? I feel like after price sweep this, price should retrace for the liquidity taken there. So I feel everything here is liquidity. Let's go down to 3 months. So 3 months, no reaction from the supply. That's the funniest part. When price got to this stage, no reaction. So this was the first high I was taking. So I was taking, price came back, tapped into this zone, rally, base, came back here, tap. So inside this zone, we still have some reaction in here. What's the reaction? I see that we have a lot of liquidity here. The sweep here. sweep of liquidity, and we have a possible breakout. So this zone here, this zone here is a good zone for me to see price revisit. So if price should revisit that zone, I'll be so happy. So here is the liquidity for me. Because we have rally, base, rally, base, rally. So if price is going to come down, I'm not saying USD coming down anytime soon, because the XY is not ready to drop. So I'm not saying Usdjpy coming down any soon, because this is a solid retracement. You can see we have more power in the buys, correction or pause. So just have to observe what we have very well and have a good clue of what is expected. So here we have a rally, base rally. Now this is a repayment also that price can revisit. You see price broke this supply, retested the supply, and used this supply to create another rally, base rally, which is a continuation. So here also is a good demand. Okay. Oh God. Alright, let's go down to monthly. Trying to clean out these lines so that I can have a good view of the candles I was looking into. So this looks like the last line to be mitigated. So this looks like a liquidity. So this new month, what is my expectation for this new month? Well, price is bullish though. Price is very bullish, but we have so many unmitigated supply demand below, and we have proven ourselves that we are going forward. So we have an uptrend here coming. I like to have this touch here. So I've seen that we have an uptrend. This is the rally, the correction here, and the impulse. So we should be expecting some corrective moves soon, but price is I started slowing down from here, but this last one was a very strong one. So this is still rally, base, rally, which still means that price can react also in here. So if price should come into the zone, you can still see a buy, but the best buy zone for me will be here, because this is a unmitigated demand. So let's get on weekly. Wow, a lot of. So weekly, I think the blacks, the zone I drew on daily, no, on monthly, that's the time frame. I think it stopped showing from here. So in here, price really moved well. So also price expected some trend line view in here also, which I would love to expect also. So I don't want all this one to show on weekly, daily, and hourly. I want something else to show, and this one to be from a much higher time frame view. So 1, 2, 3, and let me see if I can direct this. Okay. So this is not to show a week, monthly is weekly. So in here also, so I would love to see price take out the nearest zone. Price have taken out this targeted eye already. So this is from a high time frame view, don't show from the zones. So I want to be able to see what I have in here. So you can see price climbed, touched this, dropped, touched this, climbed again. So we have the full rally, base, rally. So if we want to see a new price in here, most of this climbing is a form of falling also. So I will respect this trend line, though I will respect it a lot. Why will I respect this trend line? This is more or less like an ascending channel. Anything can happen. Sometimes I used to look at chart through this view and to see the possibility of price falling. Now the possibility of price falling is very high, but I'm only getting when I see a good I only get in when I see a good confirmation. I'm not just gonna get in because this is okay. Okay, so let's take this out, and price took this targeted high also out. So price reacted here, rally base, rally formation. We changed the character. Price came back to the base, the rally base, rally. Price came back to this base, and we have rally. This base is indicated. Price came back into this base. We have rally, base, rally. So the whole of this was supposed to be only this guy here, this base here. Okay, this is it. Yeah, so when the price got in here, price got a rally. This is the base rally. This is where the change of character happened. So this guy here swept this low, so this liquidity low. So we have a retracement back to rally, base, rally. Price came back into that base, and we have rally, base, rally. Price came back, we have rally. So it's a tough one though, but that's where we are in the present state of things. And I would love to mark out some few things like this high. This is the track. I would like this to be black. Okay, so this also I would like to bring you out and just specify EMS at the top and trend line black also. Yeah, also we have a breakout, and here also. So if we see a retracement, that will be fine. So we work on if you can see how the demand was moving, we followed the demand movement onto this present rally base rally. Price came back into that base. So this okay. So I have rally base rally. Price came back into the base, and we have rally. So this base is still active. If only we see a base here and a rally, then we can still continue, but this base here is active. So if this base is active, price comes here, I will expect to see some buy setups. So I'll be looking at something like this. Okay, just like this. I'll be looking at that. So if I see price falling, it's a good one for me to sell. So let's go down to daily. Can select off with our fins and daily. see sometimes you need to stay on daily and don't go lower when you see an entry. Why did I say that? I got an entry here on USD, but I closed it around here. I closed it around maybe this second day, I think. I got an entry here, I closed it second day. I already knew price is going to break this, but the way price was moving the next day, I wasn't taking it, so I just closed it and just focus on something else. So you can see that price is tired in all the zone. Price is forming. I'm tired, Jerry. It's getting too much. That's what price is forming in those zones. So it's a good area to see a sell setup. It's a very good area to see a sell setup. So I'll clean it out. I like the fact that we have an ascending and an ascending. You can see we are ascending here, we have an ascending here, and we have another ascending. So we have a couple of ascending and ascending. So this is a great sign that we might see a sell setup. Now, looking at the way price closed with less power buys. Sellers are getting in the market. This candlestick high and low. You can see price closed in the middle, which is still signifying that there's a lot of sellers. So there's possibility for price to sell off. So let's go down to 4 hour. I think I closed this trade around somewhere here also. So this is the present, let's go down daily back. This is the present demand and it is an undertaking. This demand is the next. So these two demand are my next two zones that I'm looking out for. So if I go down to H4, I'm looking out for those two zones, which is these two zones. So everything here is not bad. So I'll just have this like this. Also, this low was taken, this side was taken first, and this low was taken. So this has this is looking more like a sell setup. What I mean is price took this high first, price now took this low. So even if price didn't close below, it wasn't supposed to do that. So now that price has done it, let's EXNESS the top. Okay. So what do I have? I have this zone. That's my supply. So this is my 4 hour supply. So let's go down to 3 hours. We'll go down to 2 hours. So if this is this, then this should be the next person to be taken. So I'm not really interested in this zone. What I'm interested in is to see Monday, Tuesday take out this little thing. I know that we are still continuing on this also have to see more reaction from here. Let's go down to 1 hour. You can see 1 hour create something like a double top. See that? It's a reversal. 1 hour just confirm the sell setup, which is this. Well, let's see how the market goes. This really takes out this demand, so let's see how the market goes. For the demand sweep liquidity change graph, how's the liquidity inducement? So price came into it, reacted, and boom. So first people here, price didn't get to them, but this guy has there, so price come in here and create a double top. Then let's see if price will continue the sell setup, and we'll find more sell setup. So this daily also, you can see. Then you can look for sells to this zone and to this zone. Okay, I think that's that on Usdjpy. Let's see if we can see sell setup this week. It's gonna be sweet though, but let's just see if dollar will fall this week. Alright, that's that for Usdjpy, guys, and see you in the coming video.